Tonight, President Biden is trying to show he's on offense in taking on the coronavirus pandemic.
On his first full day in office, he signed a flurry of executive orders meant to speed up vaccinations across the country. And KCAL 9 political reporter Tom Waite shows us the president's plans.
Tonight, there are about 20 million vaccine doses in freezers across the country. This as state officials across the country say they don't have enough vaccines. So far, there have been about 17.5 million vaccines administered.
We're in a national emergency, and it's time we treat it like one.
Tonight, President Joe Biden using the power of the pen, his executive orders to initiate his attack on the pandemic. Vaccines are at the top of the list.
This executive order I'm signing is strengthening the supply chain.
State officials complain the bumpy rollout of the vaccines has been in large part because they claim states are not equipped to handle mass vaccinations.
We directed FEMA to establish a COVID response liaison for each state, which means every state will have a point person.
Dr. Fauci stayed on with the Biden administration and is taking a major role in all phases of controlling the pandemic.
One of the things that we're going to do is to be completely transparent, open, and honest. If things go wrong, not point fingers, but to correct them and to make everything we do be based on science and evidence.
Dr. Fauci also said it's critical for vaccines to reach communities of color where the virus has been disproportionately devastating.
Quite frankly, I've been spending a considerable amount of my own time is outreaching, particularly to minority communities, to make sure that you get them to be vaccinated and you explain why it's so important for themselves, their family, and their community.
Also in Biden's executive orders, mandates for the use of masks in airports and on planes, trains, and intercity buses. Another invokes the Defense Production Act to speed production and delivery of COVID tests, masks, and other PPE. He also released a plan to establish national standards for vaccine distribution and school reopenings.
It is so detailed, it is over 198 pages.
Her first shot today, awesome job.
Back here at home, Dr. Angelique Campen, an ER doctor at Providence St. Joseph Medical Center, was out volunteering yesterday to help vaccinate Angelinos.
We are very much invested in getting this vaccine out because it has an effect on our job. It will make my life a lot easier in the emergency room, having fewer sick patients.
At Dodger Stadium, wait times for scheduled vaccines reached 5 hours yesterday, but LA Mayor Eric Garcetti said they were down to about 30 to 40 minutes today. And California health officials are saying the state may not vaccinate all of its high-risk, high-priority seniors over 65 until June. All this as frontline healthcare workers are being pushed to the brink.
If someone had described to me what my work would be like right now, I wouldn't believe them. Never in my 20 years of experience would I ever have thought I would be working with this high acuity, just the number of sick patients. There's not a moment to relax.
And there has been yet another variant of the coronavirus discovered in South Africa. Right now, Dr. Fauci is saying he believes that the current vaccines should be able to handle the new strain, but we'll have to wait and see. More research needs to be done. I'm Tom Waite, KCAL 9 News.